In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word for Mac and PC. By the end, you'll have Grammarly up and running inside Word so it can catch typos. Polish your tone and suggest clearer phrasing as you write. Let's start by getting the installer. On a Windows PC, go to the official Grammarly website and download Grammarly for Windows. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. This download contains everything you need to integrate Grammarly with Microsoft Word, so you don't have to hunt for separate add-ins. Once the download finishes, install it. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the exe file and follow the on-screen prompts. If Word is open, it's a good idea to close it before you begin, so the installer can connect everything cleanly. You may see a security or permission prompt from Windows. Choose to allow the installer to run. Then just continue through the setup. The installer will handle the integration with Word automatically, and you'll see progress indicators as it completes. When it's done, you can close the installer. Now it's time to activate Grammarly inside Word. Open Microsoft Word as you normally would. After a moment, you should notice Grammarly appear within Word's interface. In many cases, a Grammarly sidebar opens on the right, or you'll see a Grammarly icon you can click to reveal the panel. As you type or open an existing document, Grammarly will underline potential issues and show suggestions in that side panel. Click a suggestion to learn why it's being flagged, and when it makes sense, apply the fix with a single click. You can move through suggestions one by one, accept or dismiss them, and keep writing without losing your flow. If you don't see Grammarly right away, give Word a quick restart. A full computer restart can also help finalize the connection after installation. Make sure you are connected to the internet so Grammarly can analyze your text. Once it appears, you are set. Just keep Word open and the Grammarly panel available whenever you want writing assistance. If you are using a Mac, the experience in Word is very similar. Install the Grammarly app for macOS from the official site. Then open Word and look for the Grammarly panel or icon. The interface and suggestions work the same way, helping you edit in real time. That's it. Download, install, and open Word to activate. You now have Grammarly working right inside Microsoft Word, ready to help you write with confidence. Thanks for watching.